Immigration is about laws of alien. Alien because they're not British citizens, they're not allowed to remain in the United Kingdom. When you are an alien and you come to the UK, you need to apply for leave to enter. Some people enter illegally for various reasons. Otherwise, normally, you come and enter with a leave to enter. There are requirements to meet. And you will see that students, workers, they will be subject to the point-based system, and people who are not coming for specific purposes but form a family would apply for leave to remain on the basis of their family. You have the immigration rules and you have also the convention. In conventions, you have the Human Rights Act, the European Convention on Human Rights, and you have the Refugee Convention. Immigration rules is laws for the Secretary of State to administer the Act, 1971 Act. And the immigration rule would determine the condition or circumstances under which an alien would be granted leave. So this is something that is governed by the Secretary of State, because it's been entrusted by Parliament with regulating migration in this country. But, but in the course of dealing with migrants, the UK, the United Kingdom, would have to fulfill their obligation, their international obligations. And the provisions covering the United Kingdom obligations will be found in the European Convention on Human Rights or the Refugee Convention. You will see that although you have the immigration rules, the Secretary of State will always have in mind the conventions. That's why a person can fail under the immigration rule but still succeed under one of the conventions. Most cases, in many cases, when the Home Office decide to remove a person, the person who hasn't been able to achieve leave to remain under the immigration rule would make submissions on the basis of one of the conventions, in which case the Home Office will have to reassess the person case in order to make sure that whatever decision comes out of the examination, the United Kingdom would not breach their obligations.